Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings. Then you have to go to the security and location. Then go to the permission request. No, excuse me, not here. You have to go to the apps and notifications. Then go to the app permissions, special app access, install unknown apps. Here you can see the whole list of apps through which you can install unknown apps. Let's select for example Chrome, and then tap allow from this source. And now you can install unknown apps through the Google Chrome. You can do the same thing to the Google Drive, for example, and other Google services from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.